Hey guys, SoFi and Robinhood are two of the most popular investing apps in 2025, but they cater to different styles of investors. Let's break down which one is actually better for you based on features, fee, and long-term usability. Now, comparing the core features, both apps offer commission-free trades for stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto. But SoFi focuses more on beginner support, offering free certified financial planners, automated investing that is autopilot, fractional shares, and a 1% IRA match. While Robinhood leans into active trading with instant deposits, real-time advanced charts, and extended hourly trading. Now, understanding the user experience, SoFi's app is clean and beginner friendly. With budgeting, banking, and investing all connected, you get automatic diversification through robo portfolios if you want a hands-off experience. Robinhood app is faster and more customizable for active traders, but is still easy to navigate for new users. It's more suited for those who like real-time control over their trades. Now, Robinhood Gold offers level second market data, margin trading, and a higher APY on uninvested cash, but it costs $5 a month. SoFi doesn't offer margin trading or advanced researching tools. Its robo-advisor charges a 0.25% fee is starting in 2025, but human advisor access remains free for all users. Now, real user feedback, many Robinhood users praise its speed but criticize the limited customer support and past outages. While SoFi users love the educational focus and free CPF but wish that the app had more detailed market data and more reliable performance tracking. Neither app is perfect, but each is strong in its niche. So which app wins? Choose SoFi if you're a beginner, want free advisor access like passive investing, or plan to manage banking and investing in one place. And you should choose Robinhood if you prefer active trading, want advanced charts, margin, and fast execution, and are comfortable without direct financial advisor support. Now, final verdict, both platforms are excellent but serve different needs. If you're building wealth steadily and want supportive all-in-one platform, SoFi is a smarter choice. And if you are actively trading and want speed, control, and premium market access, Robinhood is still hard to beat. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.